Thank you so much, Your Excellency, the Deputy President. Let me just say, all protocols observed. We are very happy for you to have come to grace this occasion, courtesy of Sabina Wajiro Foundation. This is where I'm born, Kigumo, married in Kadara, but I'm member of Parliament, Murang'a constituency, because that is where our everything is, by virtue of where we are with my husband. Watu wa Kigumo hamjambo? Hamjambo tena? Wanafunzi hamjambo? Haya, dakika ni moja tu, Your Excellency. Kuhudhiro dagikemwe, Juge, thank you so much. We are so much rallying behind you. We honor you. You are our topmost person in the politics and in the government of this country. Na hariore haune hoturi. Na gutire mundu ungi angikorwo no atwirire turore mwena uyu na tukirora na tukiona. So not today tukuma mwena ucio. No gwo niguo tugukorwo tugika heko ni undu wa wira uria urathi na mbere na kuruta, especially barere urari kuria Kirinyaga ni undu wa njohi. Na ndarora hanini uguo njohi yo ni roneka related na handu njohi, na ni njohi ni ndarutire wira wa kuingata mundu ucio kuma mwena wa constituency na kiurira mwena ucio. No, Your Excellency, andu acio ni mekwenda marumirirwo. And here is about the multi-agency sectoral support turafatara. Wira utuwa mundu mwe wa kuhurana na njohi. Na njohi ni rutite wira moru na wira munene, especially in my constituency. Na nikio njugaga ni haria ndorotithia nditigaga ka ni ngwirwo atia bara ya njohi no muhaka Your Excellency tuteithie tuhurane nayo odumwe na mihadarati. Ugingira na guku thiini, it is pathetic. Na ba irahigoro ikahigoro nginya ku mecine okuri ande ciana cire kogwa mwana akiambiriria kunywa njohi primary, it's not a problem tondu ararerwa kimenyaga njohi ino ni kindu kiagirire na tugacoka tukaga role model. Ndocio ngeige gweta Your Excellency, I'm so much ngirwira uhoro wa mai no uhoro wa mai ndaigire ndigakira ginya hende ria my constituency kagia mai. And it is not only my constituency Murang'a, we also have Kadara, that is where I'm married. Mae mariona thina. This is where I'm also born, Kigumo turiona thina wa mae. Na thank you so much Governor ni wiro rio rutete. Ona akole mwane ndirathi uguo ngakwira umire no tige guoyo kaigwa ta ndiragutindika muno. It's because mae ni maku, we muhewera ucio negativa, we wakiri. Na riu kogwo rimwe waigwa ndagweta kaundu ni ndirenda giti kia governor, I'm not interested, ona ndire na maginya Maragwa wira nduri urathira ni muingi muno. No ungikarikia tamu ciaku igire miaka 10 ndire mugirie ona nyingi gakona kanyamu no njurie, provided ni turaiga ni turenda atumia ingi muno thiini wa gubernatorial, and we are very proud for the ones that we already have, the like of Sisre Barire. Kamuthia, please let's call for unity. Andu ne matige gucibana na guthii magithukagiria ari angi maritwa na kuga kwina mbara gutari mbara na mbara ngiuka ona ni njuga atarigiji ndire na mwana mugongo na ngikonde nake atwiraga tune masusu maitu. But let's speak the truth and let's support our people, not guthii ugithukagia ritwa ati cia thire cia ikurukire Wamaua unapeperusha jina yangu juu. Niye nenyedete thao Your Excellency, you know me, dede you are our son, nitukwendete na ni ngwiraga twakuona tuonaga njata ya Murang'a. Uria kuri ni ati we support the government of the day nigetha tuone kuria turathie na tuhote kuripukiria tungihota kuona thiini wa thirikari ino ya Kenya Kwanza. Your Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, move on, we are behind you. I'm your biggest supporter na dikaga go supporti ati to ni kurerwo ciathire tondu ngikorwo he mundu mbere wituro na kamweneni yetu ndikukushikiria na kukuambia twende. Sabina Wajiro Shege, we love you, that is why we are here. Despite kwambata kirema gikirema mukinyururuka wekora we haha thi no wetikirire gutujoin. Kwa hivyo twende kazi haria hothe urabatara tuke tugusupport unity ya mountain na ya kirima no yagutuma andu aria angi matuheshimu. So we are happy of you na ni ugenagia na nie ndigaga makwa ne haha makaima ngaiga ni turinge gataru muiko. Thank you so much, otherwise We support the multipurpose courtesy of you and remembrance of your mother. And I think up there's so many people who praise for you and also who praise for your mother. No wonder gimaira go yuma mutwine. Thank you so much.